Yo. So, this is going to be a quick video, and this is going to be a video that I believe I made in the past, and I'm going to make in the future. You're going to have a video come from me of this sort very often, just to let you know. So, I just want to say, go all in. Stop half-assing. Go all in. If you're trading and you want trading to be your life, and you want trading to be your lifestyle, you want trading to be you want trading to be your career, then go all in. Whatever you've been struggling with, analyze it. Analyze it. You know, if you have a whole list of things you've been struggling with, take one. Take one thing that you've been struggling with, just one. Just one. And just work on fixing that one thing for a month or two. A month or two. Just take that one thing and work on fixing that one thing for a month or two until it's like not even an issue. It's like secondhand nature. It's muscle memory. Because you have to remember, man, trading is a marathon. Trading is a marathon, and traders get so caught up in trying to make so much money right now. They get so caught up in the hype. They get so caught up in what they see on Instagram, what they see on YouTube, and a lot of it is fake, yo. A lot of it is fake. Like this is what I want y'all to know. Like this one thing that I've noticed when it comes to trading gurus. Just think about this, right? So all these trading gurus were trading their own personal accounts, their own personal Forex accounts, making hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars. So why did they all switch to futures when FTMO shut down? Or stop allowing US traders? Why did they all switch to futures? Why did that make you switch to futures? If you were trading your own personal Forex account, why did that make you switch to futures right when everybody else switched to futures? That doesn't make any sense, right? Like that didn't affect you. You're already trading your own personal account, which is the broker that you've been promoting and stuff. So why when FTMO said, hey, we can't allow US traders anymore, and all these other prop firms shut down or was not allowing US traders, so why did a lot of these gurus switch to start trading futures? A/1, they probably were trading funding accounts. Or two, it's so that they can keep selling you what you want to buy. Think about that. So they can keep selling. Oh, now y'all are all trading futures. All right, I'm gonna start trading futures too. So now when I make a new course, it's gonna be based on futures, and you gonna buy it. Man, if they were legitimately good at their craft, they wouldn't need to sell you a course. First of all, a mentorship, if it's a legit mentorship, that's different. But all the course selling and signal selling, yeah, like, so you gotta understand, like, when you're starting off as a trader, you can't let all of that like influence how you trade, because once you let all of that influence how you trade, you're gonna rush, you're gonna make mistakes, and you're gonna end up making the same mistakes over and over again. And it's time for you to just cut it all out, just hone in on your craft, and break your struggles down bit by bit. It's time, man. Lock in. It's time to lock in. You still got the rest of the year, you got the rest of your life. Lock in. Break your struggles down bit by bit, and focus on this little bit here, and until it's not a struggle anymore. And then you move to the next, and take however much time you need. All right, that's all I had to say, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Put your struggles in the comments, and put how you wish to overcome them.